how to create custom AI wallpapers on Galaxy S25, S25 Ultra, or even some of the older devices. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can do just that. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To generate custom AI wallpapers in Galaxy S25 Ultra or even other series, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Long press on your home screen on an empty space, then you'll see these options. Here, go to Wallpaper and Starts. By the way, because Galaxy S25 came with One UI 7, it is easy to do that. On older devices also, if you have One UI 6 or 6.1, then you will be able to go ahead and then generate AI wallpapers. Now from here, go to Change Wallpapers. Here you can see it says Create with AI and tap on it. Tap on Create with AI and simply first of all choose a style. Once you go ahead and choose what type of style that you want, you can simply give it what kind of instructions on how you want to create it, right? So once you've done that, tap the Generate button. It will take a while to generate a new wallpaper based on the data that you provided. This way you can generate custom AI wallpapers on Galaxy S25 or even older devices. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.